Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about sed command. Okay. Sed command is used to read the file. You can query the file, or if you want to delete some lines of the file, you can do that without opening the file in any editor. Okay. First thing is, I have some files right now here. Let's say I am going to temp.txt. If I show you. I have some content inside the file, some lines, 10 lines, and some 5 rows are there, 5 columns are there. Okay. Let's say I want to print the first line of the file. Okay. Sed 1p temp.txt. 1p means 1 means the line number, p means print. I want to print the first line of the file. If I execute that, you can see the first line got printed twice and the remaining lines are printed only once. Okay. Okay, one more thing. If I want to, let's say, print multiple line, I can write like this. One, let's say 2 to 4, then p temp.txt. Now you can see line number 2 got printed twice, and line number 3 got printed twice, line number 4 got printed twice. Means 2 to 4 lines. Okay. So now I don't want to print the other lines. I just want to print this particular lines which are like mentioned in the command. Then I can give the flag -n. Okay, n means don't print the output which is not mentioned in the command. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, let's say p and temp.txt. Now you can see the lines which are mentioned in the command only got printed. Okay, so this is for printing the lines of the file. Next, I want to delete some lines. So let's say I want to delete the first line. So to delete the line, I'll give the letter D. Okay. Then let's say t1 temp.txt. Now you can see the lines got printed. Okay. And line 1 is not there. But if you go to the file temp.txt, you can see the line 1 is present in the file. Okay. So what happens when you execute the command sed? Okay, it will not change the file by itself. Okay, you need to give the flag -i. Okay, then only it will change the file content. Okay, let's say sorry, sed I. Okay, then I want to delete the first line 1d temp.txt. Okay, now you can see if I go to the file, line 1 got deleted. Okay, so if I see, I have temp.txt right now. Okay, now I want if I want to delete the lines of the file, but I want to keep one backup of the file for future. Okay, let's say I want to delete the line number 2d temp.txt, but I want to keep the backup of the file like current file right now. I can give here one suffix, anything you can give, like whatever the suffix you will give here. Dot backup I have given, so it will create one file having a name attempt.txt.backup. If I give something other here, it will just append that into the file name. If I see now temp.txt, line 3 got deleted because previously line 2, line 3, line 4 was there. So for that line 2 was this line 3. Okay, it got deleted. But if you see now, I have one more file present temp.txt.backup. If I go to that, you can sorry. If I go to that, you can see this line is there present. Okay. So now P is used to print the file, print the lines on. D is used to delete the lines. Then I is used to change the file directly. Okay. And one more thing we saw, N. It is used to like display only the specific lines present in the command. Okay. Without N, the file content will be printed even if you give the P flag. Okay. So now one more use case is there, which is substitute. Okay. If you remember, we did that replacement or substitution in Beam editor. Just like that, we can do that in the set command as well. Okay. So I have some files here. Let's say t1.txt. I have some content, apple or something like that. Okay. Let's say I want to change apple with some different keyword. Okay. So now I'll give the command s means substitute, then the matching pattern. Let's say apple. Then let's say I'm giving some different gh. Okay. You need to give this uh, forward slash at the end. Means this will take this as a matching pattern and it will be the replacement pattern. Then I'll give a file name t1.txt. Now if you see apple got replaced with astfgh. Okay, but here apples are there. So only the if you want to replace all the keywords matching keywords, then you can give the flag G. So for that you need to give G here. Okay. Now you can see here, everything everywhere the Apple keyword got replaced. Fine. Okay. So here you can see all the rows were affected with this command. Okay. Let's say you just want to change only some particular rows. Let's say 2 and 3 or 2 to 4 you can say. Then you can write here 2 comma 4. If you see now, first row was not affected, even the fifth row is not affected, only second, third and fourth row got affected. So if you don't give any number here, only s, then it will affect all the rows. If you remember in Vim editor, we were giving percentage for that, but here you don't need to give percentage. By default it will take all the rows. Okay. If you want to give affect some specific rows, then you can give the numbers here, row numbers, two or four. Okay. Then the matching keyword, then ASTFGH. Okay. In this case, you can even write regex as well. Whatever you can write here. Okay. So yeah, one more thing. If you see the file right now, it's not changed because we have not given the flag I. Okay. Only if you give hyphen I flag, then only it will change the file. Let's say I'll execute the same command again and I'll give the flag here I. If you see now, t1.txt, this three lines got changed. Okay, one more thing. Uh, let's say I'll go to t2.txt. Okay, I have some contents here. Let's say I don't want to print line wise like we saw, right? We can give the line number to print the particular line of the file. Even you can print according to the pattern. Okay. So for that, I'll give the command sed, then the pattern. Let's say apple. Then I want to print this. So p. Then let's say t1.txt. Uh, so you can see all the lines which are having apple are printed here. Okay. You can see here this line got printed twice. This line also got printed twice. And remaining lines also printed because we have not given the hyphen and flag. If you give that, it will only print the matching lines. See, so those two lines which are having the pattern means apple are printed right now. Okay, so that's all about set command. So thank you guys for watching.